Namaste, I am Anand. Welcome to StudyMationn. Today, we'll explore Newton's first law of motion.
Newton's first law says, objects keep doing what they're doing unless acted upon by a force. This book will stay at rest until someone applies a force to move it.
Ball keeps rolling until friction or another force stops it.
Tendency of objects to resist change in motion is called inertia.
When a car stops suddenly, the passenger's body keeps moving forward. That's inertia.
In space, without friction, astronauts keep drifting until they push against something.
So remember, objects stay at rest or in motion unless a force changes that. Quick quiz. Why do you need seatbelts in cars? Think about inertia. Seatbelts protect us from inertia, froon. They stop our bodies when cars stop suddenly.
On ice, a puck glides far because friction is very low. Inertia keeps it moving.
A bus halts suddenly. Passengers lean forward for orders. Their bodies want to keep moving.
Forces like friction, gravity, or push are what change an object's motion.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to StudyMationn for more animated science lessons.